Hazrat ibn Umar radiyallahu anhu says, when Abdullah bin Ubay died, Abdullah bin Abdullah, his son, came to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and requested him sallallahu alaihi wasallam to grant his shirt so as to shroud his father Ibn Ubay in it. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam granted it to him. He then besieged him to lead his funeral prayer, whereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got up to lead the funeral prayer. At this, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu got up and, holding the garment of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, your Lord has prevented you from leading his funeral prayer. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, but my Lord has granted me the choice. Ask you forgiveness for them or ask not. If you will ask forgiveness for them 70 times, so I will ask forgiveness for him more than 70 times. He submitted. He is a hypocrite. The reporter says Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam led his funeral prayer, whereupon Allah Jalla Jalaluhu revealed, and pray you never over any of their dead, and not stand over his grave. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4670.